In an attempt to subdue the housing crisis afflicting Canada, the Trudeau government has introduced a ban on foreign investors from buying homes in the country. The 2-year ban has been announced to ease the unaffordability constraints faced by domestic residents. However, the latest move by the government has fueled a debate on whether such radical measures can be adopted to control housing inflation. Canada has faced a swift rise in housing prices and rental rates in the past few years. The ban aims to cool the housing market and prohibit foreign home buying and increase taxes for people who sell their homes within a year of purchasing them. Nevertheless, exceptions have been made for permanent residents and international students. The move, announced as part of the federal budget, is accompanied by other significant measures, including the building of new houses. The latest ban on foreign home buyers in Canada has sparked debates around whether Australia should make a similar move in their own country. Like Canada, Australia has endured a housing affordability crisis for an extended period of time, with first home buyers being pushed almost entirely out of the market. There's also no let-up in sight, with prices continuing to rise and wage growth stagnating. As for Canada, the prime criticism accompanying the announced ban is that it could discourage foreign capital inflow into the country. While the ban carries some advantages and disadvantages, the government has decided to focus on how it would impact domestic citizens solely. Some experts believe that the ban might fail to serve its purpose and fall flat even with the right intentions. For instance, permanent residents, foreign workers, and students are still exempted from the ban. These factors could weaken the ban's impact and result in a further rise in prices. Meanwhile, the ban might not be able to deal with the issue of foreign capital, which appears to be a crucial component for the Canadian economy. Over the years, the Canadian real estate market has grown tremendously due to globalisation. On the contrary, the Australian property market has been red hot even in the absence of foreign travellers during the past 2 years with COVID-related restrictions. That brings us to the crucial question: should Australia follow in Canada's footsteps? While house price inflation is evident in Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia has been tiptoeing around the decision of an interest rate hike. Though there is no official confirmation around a sooner rate hike, markets have sensed reduced reluctance of the RBA regarding a surge in the cash rate. Australia has seen a prolonged spell of near zero interest rates, potentially due to the central bank's intention to allow the property market to cool on its own. Essentially, this strategy of stalling home prices has proven to be effective in Australia's case, as a gradual decline in prices is becoming more visible. Sydney and Melbourne have been the first cities to observe prices dipping from their peaks. However, affordability concerns are still looming due to the disappointingly low wages growth rate. Some experts even suggest that Canada should have actually taken a cue from Australia instead of adopting the bold move of banning foreigners from buying a home. While rising prices have made it harder for many people to own a house in Australia, the real estate boom has helped stir the economy while allowing many sellers to generate substantial profits. Interestingly, the National Australia Bank, or NAB report, suggests that foreign buyers only accounted for 4.6% of the total share of buyers in the property market in the fourth quarter of 2021. The surprisingly low ratio suggests that a Canada-like ban within the Aussie housing market would actually have little impact on the current issues. Ultimately, the problems facing the Australian real estate market include an insufficient housing supply and the emergence of a housing price bubble. Speculations are rife that housing price inflation might cool down in Australia as soon as interest rates are raised. Unfortunately though, it's unlikely that will come as much comfort for Aussies still looking to enter into the market. Let us know your thoughts in the comments on what can be done to correct the housing crisis in Australia and whether we should enact a foreign ownership ban. You can also like and share the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. And if you want further information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James, reporting for Kalkine.